Stuck in a performance improvement plan? Wondering if it will haunt your career or how to turn it into an opportunity? Let us break down the truth about PIPs, your options, and the smartest way to handle them. Stay tuned, this could change everything. Handling a Performance Improvement Plan, PIP, a case study. I am currently working at Accenture and have recently been placed on a Performance Improvement Plan, PIP. While I initially wanted to resign, my HR representative has insisted that I go through the process. This raised an important question for me. Would failing the PIP impact my experience letter? For those who are unfamiliar, especially freshers, a PIP in the IT industry refers to a Performance Improvement Plan. It is a formal process used by employers to help employees address and improve performance in areas where they may not meet the required standards. Here is a quick overview. Purpose. A PIP outlines specific performance issues and provides clear expectations, goals, and timelines for improvement. Process. It serves as a structured approach for managers to help employees improve their work performance or behavior. Out of my 20 years of experience in IT, I've spent 14 years at Accenture. During this time, I've held roles such as team lead, associate manager, and manager. I've even overseen several PIPs, including those involving close colleagues, though unfortunately, I couldn't always help them. Drawing from my experience, I'll share some insights and help you navigate your options. The reality of a PIP. Once you are placed on a PIP, there's little chance of avoiding its consequences. Based on my experience, 99% of employees fail the PIP and are asked to resign. Typically, the process concludes with the employee receiving 3 months severance pay and a clean exit record, no negative remarks on experience letters or during background checks. In rare instances, if you are a critical resource, your current project team may intervene, and the project managing director, MD, might negotiate with HR to clear your PIP. However, the chances of this happening are slim, around 1%. Your options. Let's explore the options available to you if you find yourself on a PIP. Option 1. Accept the PIP. Follow the process as outlined by HR. Accept the severance pay, typically 3 months, and leave the organization. Your exit records will remain clean, and there will be no impact on your experience letter or future background checks. This is the simplest and least stressful route. Option 2. Seek project support. Request support from your project team to help you clear the PIP. This approach works only if your project team strongly values your contributions and is willing to fight for you. Keep in mind, this is rare and depends heavily on your relationship with the project and its leadership. Option 3. Resign proactively. Raise an official resignation before the PIP is formally initiated. HR will likely negotiate for you to leave immediately without severance pay. Stand your ground, serve the notice period, usually 3 months, and insist on the severance package if asked to leave earlier. This strategy requires confidence and persistence, but ensures you control the narrative of your exit. Option 4. File a grievance. Raise a grievance, claiming that the PIP and your bottom rating are unjustified. Be prepared for extensive calls and discussions aimed at convincing you to accept the PIP. Escalations may reach top-level MDs, but the outcome is rarely favorable for employees. In my experience, grievance cases almost never end in the employee's favor. This option may lead to embarrassment and wasted time. How PIPs are assigned. It is important to understand that PIPs are not arbitrary. They are part of a structured, HR-driven process based on company guidelines. Here are some common reasons why employees may be placed on a PIP. 1. Performance issues. Consistently failing to meet targets or deliverables. 2. Escalations. Frequent client or internal complaints. 3. Attitude problems. Issues such as avoiding critical work, being uncooperative, or causing disruptions. 4. Comparative performance. Falling behind peers in terms of achievements or contributions. 5. Recent role changes. Joining a new project just before moderation, where your previous project's team might prioritize retaining their current members. It is also worth noting that managers must justify their decisions in front of HR and other leaders. Employees are not placed in the bottom tier simply because of personal biases or grudges in most cases. Preventing a PIP. If you wish to avoid being placed on a PIP in the future, focus on these key areas. Skill development. Continuously improve your skills and adapt to the demands of your role. Collaboration. Be supportive and cooperative with your team members and project requirements. Proactive contributions. Go the extra mile when needed, demonstrating your value to the organization. By consistently performing well and maintaining a positive attitude, you can position yourself for success and avoid being flagged for underperformance. Conclusion. Navigating a PIP can be challenging, but understanding the process and your options can help you make informed decisions. Whether you choose to accept the PIP, seek support, resign proactively, or file a grievance, the key is to remain calm, professional, and strategic. Remember, a clean exit is always possible, and the experience can serve as a valuable learning opportunity for your career. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.